All right, today was pretty good. I got another reply on my outreach, so I might get on the second call actually with another prospect. So there's not two calls lined up. Well, there's one call officially lined up and another call I'm gonna say pretty much should happen because the guy came back to me today. I had the Loom link attached. I had the call link attached at the end of the Loom, but for some reason he couldn't find it. So I sent it back. So I sent him the link again. And apart from that, I've been working in Claude Code again today. I've realized that Claude writes worse copy inside of Claude Code than in normal Claude, so I kind of have to figure out how to make that, make both things synergize together. And apart from that, well, what did I even do today? I worked the whole day and I forgot what I worked on. I don't know, man. I know that I worked on this on the start of the sales page for quite a bit. I've just been thinking about the angle and the headline, and it's still giving me headaches. I mean, I've had Claude write it out, the whole sales pitch, just to see how well it did. And honestly, it did not the greatest job. It did okay, I guess. It didn't do bad, but I don't know, it did better for the landing page. Anyway, oh yeah, new feature, I guess. I don't know what this is. Claude just wanted to show it off. I don't know what else to say, really. What else is there to say? I don't know what I don't know. I just uploaded. What is this? Yeah, please. Well, I just worked with Claude Code and worked through, well, I recorded the looms today, the free test looms. I just established this habit of recording free outreach looms every day just for practice, and then I delete them or something, just to keep the habit up and just get really solid at that. Yeah, apart from that, I'm gonna watch the sales call module tomorrow again to get ready for Tuesday. Tuesday's gonna be one call, and then we might have another call if the guy actually decides to book one. Uh, I don't know what else to talk about really. It's not, I went outside today. Wow, unbelievable. That's actually, I don't know, man. I don't go outside as much as I could. But yeah, I went on a bike ride today. It was beautiful. The weather is finally really, really nice. I don't even have to wait till summer. It's already like really, really nice outside. It's still windy. It's not like summer. It's not as warm as it will be in summer, but that's actually a nice thing because in summer it gets a little too warm. So, well, basically a good day. I'm not nothing bad about today, but I'm gonna go to sleep pretty soon because UFC is gonna happen. We want to be ready for UFC, and this time it starts earlier than usual, so I gotta go to bed even earlier than usual. So I've really been staying up too late the past couple of days because I've had this really bad habit of always going to sleep with my phone, watching something on YouTube and falling asleep to something on YouTube. And that was never good, man. I've always noticed that if I fall asleep with sound still playing in the background or even a video and sound playing in the background, it's not good. I wake up with a headache every single time. It's never good. I never rest as well as I should. But yeah, over the past 5 days or so, I've pretty much gone to bed without that. I have like two phones. Actually, I have three phones, but I have an old phone for which only serves as an alarm. Then I have a phone with internet and a phone without internet. And obviously, the phone with internet, that one is I haven't even turned it on in 5 days. It's just been sitting in my shelf or whatever for 5 days, which is good. But it's funny, man. Like I'm just so used to going to bed with something playing in the background that I didn't want to go to bed because I didn't have anything to watch when I went to bed. So I would go before then I would go to bed at like 10 p.m. Now I went to bed at like 1:30 a.m. just because I procrastinated for 3 hours going to bed simply because I couldn't watch YouTube going to bed. Because that was my comfort zone. So I'd rather watch 3 hours of YouTube on my fucking computer or a TV show or something like that. Yeah, so that's not good, but it's just getting used to this, man. It's just an addiction, you know? Just going to bed and being used to watching YouTube and then you can't do it anymore and yeah, I didn't want to go to bed anymore. Well, I can't really say that. This last night I stayed up very late, but it will get better. I will get used to this. I mean, come on, dude. Why shouldn't I get used to this? But yeah, I'm just trying to fix one thing at a time. That's one thing I want to fix. Another thing I want to fix is, uh, what was it? God damn it, my mind blanked out. What did I want to fix? Oh yeah, my sugar addiction. I love sugar way too much. I love sweets way too much. Yeah, just sweets way too much, man. It's not good for you. I mean, yeah, it's just not good for you. I mean, I don't know. It's just, yeah, I kind of want to get off sugar, especially with how I like it way too much. I really like it way too much, man. So yeah, we're gonna try to get rid of sugar. Oh, I don't know what happened, by the way. One of my YouTube videos got 27 views, which I don't like. I don't want anybody to watch this anyway. I only wanna, I don't know, man. I upload these only for out of habit at this point. I've been doing this Loom Diary log anyway for like a year at this point. I just checked, I have like 359 uploads over there. Sometimes I record two a day, so it's almost been a year of me doing this. I've just not been uploading it to YouTube since then. So yeah, sometime whatever, bro. I don't know. I just record these assuming nobody's gonna watch this because I'm just rambling on about random stuff, which is fine because again, I'm just documenting the journey, I guess. That's just what we're doing here. Uh, I don't know. There's not much more to say today. But today was good, and I love Cloud Cowork or Code. I think Cloud Cowork might actually work finally. I used it just now and it didn't crash. I mean, this doesn't have to mean anything because usually it works for like an hour or two and then it crashes. But it feels like they made some changes to the UI. It feels more smooth now. It just feels more reliable and we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it will crash on me again. I just built a plugin where I had all my copywriting skills and I just put them into one plugin. So I have a copywriting command center now, I guess, with all the stuff in here. So that's cool. Yeah, I just noticed I tried to write copy with Claude Code and it did a horrible job, and then I wrote it with normal Claude and it did a decent job, so I guess Claude Code is not meant to write copy, at least not as well as normal Claude. I don't know, I just hope Claude gets a lot better at writing copy. I mean, it's not bad, and sometimes it's better than other times, but it still has some habits that really, really annoy me and that are just unfixable and that are hard coded into Claude and you can't get rid of them. You know, one of them is this, it's called anaphora is what the word is for it. It's just when it starts the sentence the same way over and over again, when it's ultra repetitive and you really can't avoid it. Like Claude just does it and it's really fucking annoying. So I really hope Claude gets a grip on that over time. I really hope like things change so fast. I'm pretty confident that I don't know, within a year. I'm always thinking a year ahead. I think within a year, AI should be at that point. It's funny, man. So many people, like I read it all the time from people who are like, oh, AI is never going to be able to do this or that or this and that. I think AI will be able to do pretty much anything in the next 5 to 10 years. Another guy said, yeah, I'm sure AI can't replace copywriting in our lifetimes, maybe one day, but not in our lifetimes. You know how fast this technology is advancing, man? You know how fast things are changing all the time? Like every single day there's some breakthrough happening. Well, there's every 2 months there's some major breakthrough happening and every day there's something new coming out. You know, oh my God, they released this and this. There's always something new. Like the rate of progress is unlike anything we've ever seen, so to think that Claude would take like 50 years to get there, bro, come on, man. Or 60 years, come on, man. It's not gonna, like, in 5 to 10 years, the world is gonna be unrecognizable. I'm sure of that at this point. Seeing how far it's happening right now. Like a year ago, we probably wouldn't have said that, but what happened in the second half of 2025 in terms of the rate of progress, yeah, and it's just, yeah, that's not slowing down at all. It's just getting faster and faster and faster. The way things are changing. So, the better Claude gets at coding, the better. Like it can code itself. Like they use AI to make AI better. It's not like just humans making progress here. It's AI making progress on itself. That's like, yeah, that's why it's so exponential. That's why the growth is so exponential. And now, especially that it's really, really good at coding, it will just get faster and faster and faster and faster. I don't see this like people are waiting for the AI bubble to burst. That's never gonna happen. AI is not going anywhere, man. Why do people believe that? I don't understand. Maybe OpenAI will go bankrupt eventually. I can see that happening, and I actually hope that happens because these people are not good people and they're dangerous. So I wouldn't mind if OpenAI, you know, went into bankruptcy because they're just dangerous, bro. Sam Altman, that guy is like it's not the type of guy that I want in charge of an AI company with that much influence. Anthropic and Google AI seem way more reasonable, at least the CEO, so I'm way more rooting for them, and I'm a huge Claude fan, man. Claude is just so good. Like, it's so good, and they're so innovative. Everything they're bringing out is just so useful. And yeah, I really will say what KJ did here with his second brain really revolutionized the way I work now with Claude, because now I can finally have Claude actively access my files and edit them and take notes for me and organize everything for me. It is amazing. Like, this has just made things so much easier now. Like, I'm really, really excited about where this is gonna go. And again, there's always something new coming out. And there's still a ton of things that will get better, you know? Like, sometimes you get the feeling, okay, where do we even go from here? But that's not really, nah, honestly, overall, I don't think there's like, we have no idea for, there's pretty much nothing AI won't be able to do eventually, you know? I don't see a cap here on AI. I think it's just gonna keep getting better. But yeah, also Manos AI, for example, which is an app coding. It's like ChatGPT, it's also a large language model. It's really good at coding, and it got bought by Meta AI, I think, and it's really good at building apps. And it also has this preview function, and it has a bunch of capabilities that I was like, damn, that's really cool. But obviously, I'm not gonna subscribe there right now because it's just, why would I do that, man? Uh, I'm paying plenty of subscriptions. Well, whatever. I'm just rambling at this point. I'm just gonna finish watching one TV show. It's the series finale. So I'm gonna watch that and then I'll go to bed and then I'll wake up early and that's it. All right, man. I don't know why 27 people watch this. Maybe because it's day 69. Ha 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 ha. I don't know, man. I have no idea. I mean, KJ watched this one. Does that have an effect? I have no fucking clue. It doesn't matter, bro. I prefer if nobody watches my videos. So, you know? Okay, that's yeah, I wanted to go back to this. No views, perfect. Hey, why are you uploading? I could just stop uploading. Whatever, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know. Whatever. I just want to document the process without anybody watching it. But at the same time, people say you should process the stuff so you can send it to people and show them that you're actually doing something every day. So I guess that's why I'm doing it. I initially had all of these videos unlisted, but I was like, okay, well, let's just do it public and nobody's watching anyway. Whatever. Rambling on. That's it for me. Bye bye.